Welcome to KrispCall. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of buying your Cyprus virtual phone number for your business from KrispCall. To purchase a Cyprus phone number from KrispCall, visit KrispCall.com and either log into your existing account or create a new one. Access My Numbers by clicking the plus icon or navigating to Settings. Click on Purchase New Number. From the list of countries, choose Cyprus. After selecting your desired number type, click Buy Number. Provide a name for your selected number and add it to your cart. Please note that local Cyprus phone numbers are only available for business use. To obtain these numbers, you must provide business registration documents and a local address. Click Confirm Purchase. If the number is unavailable on the KrispCall dashboard, you can contact our live chat support team to get the Cyprus phone number. Note that getting the Cyprus phone number may take up to a few days. After getting your Cyprus phone number, you can make and receive calls from anywhere worldwide. Get 100+ international virtual phone numbers from KrispCall and connect with your global audiences remotely from a single app. With KrispCall, you can get advanced features like unified callbox, global calling, text messages, voicemail, multi-level IVR, call analytics. Contact our chat support for more information.